For centuries, horses have been our faithful partners, dashing across battlefields, plowing fields, and even patrolling bustling city streets. Have you ever wondered what existence is like for these magnificent creatures, complete with tight-knit herd bonds, specialized training, and state-of-the-art medical care? There is so much to discover. Stay with us as we delve into the fascinating world of horses and their extraordinary connection with humans. Did you know that horses have roamed with us in the wild for over 6,000 years, often led by a dominant mare rather than a stallion? The lead mare directs the herd, deciding when and where to move, while the stallion protects the group. Each horse understands its own rank, which helps keep conflicts at bay. Most horses live between 25 and 30 years, though some may outlast these numbers. The oldest recorded horse, Old Billy from England, astonishingly lived for 62 years, dating back to 1760. Did you know that a mare carries her foal for about 11 months? That's nearly a full year of gestation. And once born, the foal can stand within an hour and walk within a day. Pretty amazing, right? Yet despite their strength, foals still require special care. In the first months, they rely on their mother's milk, and farmers monitor them closely to ensure they grow healthy and strong. Horses are inherently social creatures that thrive in wild herds. They build strong bonds, and even on farms, they need ample space to roam and interact. A well-planned horse farm provides expansive pastures for movement, sheltered stables for comfort, and a safe, hazard-free environment in the barn. With proper ventilation, soft bedding, and clean stalls to keep them content. Some farms even allow horses to live in groups instead of isolated stalls, preserving their natural herd behavior. Horses have hearty appetites. Their diet mainly consists of grass, hay, grains, and sometimes special supplements for extra nutrition. Each horse consumes about 2% of its body weight in food daily. That's quite a bit of hay. Water is just as vital. A healthy adult horse may drink up to 50 liters per day to stay hydrated and maintain its strength. Taking care of a horse's health is serious business, and modern technology has made it easier than ever. Veterinarians use ultrasound, X-ray machines, and other medical tools to check for injuries, monitor pregnancies, and detect hidden health issues. Regular checkups, vaccinations, and deworming treatments keep horses in top condition. Just like humans, they require proper medical care to live long, active lives. Did you know that a horse's teeth never stop growing? If left unchecked, they can develop sharp edges that make eating painful. That's why equine dentists regularly file down their teeth to prevent discomfort and chewing problems. Horses love a good spa day. Regular bathing, brushing, and coat care keep them clean and free of dirt and parasites. Grooming isn't just for looks, it's essential for their health. Brushing also improves circulation and promotes muscle relaxation, ensuring horses feel their best. A horse's hooves are like our shoes. They need consistent care. Farriers trim and fit horseshoes every 6 to 8 weeks to prevent cracks, discomfort, and injuries, keeping the horses healthy and moving smoothly. Absolutely. In some cultures, horse meat is considered a delicacy, prized for its lean texture and rich nutritional benefits. Processing begins with scalding and shaving the hair off using hot water and a blade. The carcass is then washed and singed over a flame to clean the skin. After that, the meat is carefully butchered into cuts and sold in markets. In addition, horse hide is processed into high-quality leather that is used for making saddles, shoes, and other durable goods. Just like athletes, horses need regular training to stay in peak condition. Trainers use a combination of running, jumping, and endurance exercises to build their strength. Horse racing is an electrifying sport that showcases speed, strategy, and the deep bond between horse and rider. Trained for power and endurance, racehorses can reach speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour. Did you know that in many cities, police still rely on horses for patrols and public safety? Both the horses and the officers undergo intense training. Horses learn to remain calm in traffic, while officers spend months mastering riding, equine communication, and emergency response. Moreover, horses continue to play important roles in farming and tourism. Some farms use them for plowing and transport, and in cities such as New York and Vienna, horse-drawn carriages offer visitors a nostalgic and scenic experience. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content. See you next time.